Assalamu alaikum. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. Today's video is a short tutorial. So in this video we will discuss how to loop a Python dictionary. Loop is actually a function through which we can call or print all the items in a dictionary or any function. So let's understand this. We can loop through a dictionary by using a for loop. So basically we will use a for function for loop or calling all the items in a dictionary. When looping through a dictionary, the return value are the keys of dictionary, but there are methods to return the values as well. So let's see an example for this. Here is an example, this dictionary in which we have three variables, brand, model, and year. So we will use the function for x in this dictionary and print this dictionary. So when we will print this dictionary in output, we will get all these variables as one output. So that's all from Python loop dictionary. Hope you liked my video. Allah Hafiz.